How do you make border outline for images that makes your image pops up? I'm going to show you how in this quick and easy tutorial using Canva right now. First, go to Canva and then you can select your previous design. Next is to upload your image with transparent background onto Canva. I already uploaded, so it is on this upload tab. And then I click on this image. I want to increase the size. I want to add the outline border around my transparent image here. So I click on this image and then I select effect. And you can see there's a shadow tab here. If you do not see this, it might be down here. You just need to quickly click on the shadow, maybe, and then just click connect, and this tab will pop up. Next, select glow, and you can see a very subtle dark shadow here. You can click on the setting on this glow effect, and then bump up the size and increase the transparency because I want it to be opaque. I want it to be very solid. Reduce the blur to 0 and change the color into white, and you are done. That's it. This applies to any of the image you can find online. You just click on any images with transparent background. If you do not have transparent background, it will just add a normal border. So in this image, I demonstrate once again. Select Canva, Effect. I click on Shadow. And then click on this setting, C Control. Bump up the size. Bump up the transparency, reduce the blur. And here, this is border radius. You can change the color. If you see there's some crooked line, maybe you can reduce the size a little bit. Yep, that's it. You are done. This is how you can quickly add white border radius into any element with transparent background on your Canva. So this is how you add amazing looking outline border with using Canva. No need external software like Photoshop or even graphic design knowledge. You can just quickly use Canva to outline your image and then save this image as your social media post or YouTube thumbnail, whichever you want. So if you do like this kind of content, you would like to learn more about how you can utilize Canva, so like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any amazing tips in the future. Thank you.